Yo, what is good, y'all? My name is Tan, and we are back playing some Sonic X Shadow Oz Generations. And it seems like we about to have to finish this game. Problem is, I actually have no idea, how I'm supposed to get up there. uh, no. Yeah. Okay, well, oh yeah. There we go, there we go, there we go. Glide. There we go. Okay, nice. Wait, can I not turn it off? You know what, fine, it's fine. We don't need it, we don't need it. We still have it on, even if I'm... Oh, that... Me. Okay. What are you looking at? Good, dude. Staring at me. So brooding. Oh, no. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Oh, shoot. Man, if you don't... Me! There. We'll shoot it there. I don't... There we go. Okay, well, I mean, only 100. Final act, let's see it. Is it just gonna be straight for... Oh, we're at, what is this, Radical Highway? Wait a second, I see that. Oh, I love this theme so much. Okay. Dude. Me. Yeah, let's get it. Number games. There we go. I said no more games, but we're gonna retry. I love this theme so much. The guitar riff goes crazy. Oh! Okay! Nice. That's cool. That's so cool. I mean, where to go? I don't care. Oh. I'm just gonna keep going up with these guys. I don't care. Why do we need a rocket if we can fly? We have wings. Hello? What are we doing here? Okay. Pick me up. There we go. Oh, where are we going? Dude, the music goes so hard. I will never get over it. Get over it. There we go. Okay, well, forget that guy. Yeah, thank you. What am I looking at? Okay, well, here, we'll take it. That works. That works. That works. Okay. Doesn't count. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. Nice. Nice. Oh! Clean. That's not hitting me. That's not hitting me. Weave. What? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I'm not mad about that. Except I'm really mad about that. Come on, let's go. Quit playing with me. Okay. hit. Don't hit any buildings, man. Come on, Shadow. Let's not hit anything, please. Shadow, please. What was that? I saw something. Oh no, I missed the middle one. Oh, man. I went straight through that barrier, but it's cool. I'm not gonna... This is a lot of, like, free roam kind of beat. That's what it feels like. 1, 2, 3, 4. What else are we doing? Okay, I can't even boost them. Oh, no, we can. It's a cool stage. I think it might be one of my favorites so far. It's really fun. Hit me with it. Y'all know I don't miss those. I get S ranks every time. Oh, we gotta jump back inside. Okay. Act 2, let's see it. Starting off with the skydiving. You already know this, so I'm about to be fire. I almost got hit by that. Oh, Act 2 is just a full-on 3D stage as well. Oh my gosh, I almost got hit by that. Hi, Grandma. Oh, nice. Can't believe I actually hit that. And I missed something. Okay. Oh my gosh, you lose so much momentum. Oh, nice. Little narrow pathways we gotta go. What is that? Okay, Shadow, now's not the time to be standing stationary. You gotta move. I'm gonna restrict. What am I doing? What am I? Okay, sure. Whatever works, man. Let's go up there. Okay, see that. See that too. Oh, another one. Yeah. Oh, I fell for doing this to me. Psych! I'm out of here. Do that technique. Psych! Through this. Okay. Oh shoot, I'm dead. No, I'm not. Okay. Where else can I kick this guy's? Okay, well, that's so weird. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do in there. I guess just spam on him, but it feels awkward to be doing that. And Shadow couldn't break through that little thing. Ike, I'm not fighting that dude. Oh, they're more. Oh, I missed that. No way. I don't even know how I made that, but these wings are so useful. 1, 2. I crumble. It's fine, we can... These are dumb! Just cheating the system. Where are we going now? This is a long stage. Just a minute. It's a couple... 4 minutes? Oh my... Okay. Nice, Shadow. Come on. Keep it up. We have to get the big booty Latinas. Nice. I think I got none of those. Wow. My first ever sub A? I might have to go back and do that. The boss. I'm about as ready as I could ever be. Let's go. Devil Doom. Or like Doctor Doom.
The time has come, Shadow.
Freaky.
Agreed.
I'm gonna
Time
whoop
to
you,
sever
boy.
this
Let's
bond
get it.
between us forever.
Nice. Come on, Shadow, let's do this. Uh-oh. What is that? Hey, Shadow, lock him in. What is that? Ah, yes. Man-made horrors beyond my comprehension. I've been missing this in Sonic games, you know? Not really, because they never really left. Oh, wow. Eldritch beings. Quite a while. We get to surf. Let's go. I don't know how effective it's going to be against this guy. I'm spamming triangle, just so you guys know, just in case. Whoa. Whoa. Nice. Oh, shoot. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. Kinda sounds like Mephiles' boss fight.
Did you think I wouldn't surpass you?
Come on. You're not ready for this. Oh gosh. Oh golly. Oh gosh, I can't see. There's too much screen shake. No, you wouldn't. You wouldn't. Stop that. This isn't you. Okay, that's fine. Bink. Oh, shoot. What? How do you do that? Oh, nice. Nice, okay, finally. Am I gonna have to use every single one of my abilities for this? Because I really am not looking forward to the Doom. Okay, that's what I'm not looking forward to. Okay, well.
Perhaps I've underestimated your power. Perhaps I should actually start trying.
Me! There you go. There we go. Wow, this is the same thing over and over again. Is it? You know, this is easy. Oh, never mind. I just had to go and talk, bro. Ultimate life form. Go. I don't even know how I did that. How did I boost that far? Okay, there we go. That's fine. Me. Me. Don't say it. Never mind. What is this? Okay. Okay. This is good. Oh my gosh. Ow. Ow. Ooh, there we go. No, I didn't do it because you have to spam it. Oh, that hurt. No. There we go, finally. Oh my gosh. This guy's tough. Come on, Shadow, lock him. Wing time. Let's go. What is that? What is that? Oh my, it's so fun. Oh, I need to calm down. I gotta calm down. Oh my, and they're playing the thing.
You are truly
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is so cool. This is so cool.
I have
They're
surpassed.
playing All Hell Shadow, my god. Oh shoot. Okay, there we go. What's up, what's up? You trying to hit me with... Oh shoot, almost. Good try, Goofy. Close. Lucky I didn't... Lucky I can't do Chaos Control yet. It probably wouldn't be too much help. I can't even see it. Wow. Oh shoot. Okay, okay, I get it now. I get it now. There we go. Okay, okay, okay. I know where we got it. Okay. I'm aware now. I'm aware. Neo Devil Doom or like Neo Stupid. All Hail Shadow, baby. You didn't hit me with that. That's not fair. Oh my gosh. Seeing this makes me wish they like fix Sonic OG Sonic generations just because. Man, there we go. No, you can't do that. Why are you doing that? How'd you do that?
Future is already decided.
Chaos.
We will be one.
Control. Oh. Do it. Okay, okay. We. Come on, Shadow. You got this, man. Whoop him. Whoop him. Mash, I'm mashing, I'm mashing. Oh, okay.
I will not be stopped.
The heal. That's cool. That's so clean. Nice. Come on, Shadow. One straight through his eyeball. Wait. Oh my. He might be right behind you. Oh my.
You cannot deny what you are. We are one and the same.
Okay. He is.
This is the destiny I choose.
Yes, it is. Chaos.
Now, to
Let's end it.
end this.
Doom Speaker. Let's go. Wow. Let's go.
I crafted everything up till now. And yet, you deny me.
You already know it. Stupid. Let's go. Boom. Literally straight through him.
Shadow.
There. Dude just died. Nice. Nice. That was about to be so bad. Alright, well, I'm ending the video there. Oh, wow. I can remember. That was not good, if I'm being honest. Okay, guys, it's okay. Oh, he's losing his powers. You know, that's very fair.
Nice work. Perfect timing, too. Sonic is getting ready to confront the monster that trapped us here. If I'm going to switch the emeralds without him noticing, we have to do it now.
Oh, nice.
Very well. I leave it to you.
You're coming too.
Okay. I'll take care of it.
You know you gotta help.
Aren't you coming?
Yeah.
He might need your help.
I need
He's
to
gotta
settle
say
something
goodbye.
first.
Oh, is he gonna?
Whatever.
He's gonna put the. He wouldn't kill Maria, but like she's gonna like evaporate. Oh.
Shadow?
Oh.
I
Pain.
knew you could do it.
Oh.
Maria.
I'm okay. Really.
No, you're not.
Professor, what's happening?
The temporal flux in the chronographs. It's. I don't know. I can't. I'm not making up something for this.
Without Black Doom's influence,
No.
the time anomaly is beginning to heal. We are returning to our own point in time.
Stop
No.
Rouge. Use chaos control. Stop this moment in time.
Shadow? No. I don't want to be frozen in one place in time.
How do you know that? You weren't even there, dude. These guys have super hearing and super sight. Like maybe
don't know
Aria's
what's
the
going to
ultimate life form. No way she heard that.
I'll see you again. And if fate draws us apart, I will always be in your heart.
Oh.
Maria.
Oh. Okay, Shadow.
Wait.
No. Oh. Rest in peace, y'all. Sayonara, Maria. Oh. Man, Rouge moves slow. No way that you caught up with him. Ew. He just ew. He crowed on Rouge. He cried. I cried. We both crowed. That's the end? Oh wow, clap that up. That's amazing. Oh my lord. Wow, that was awesome though. W. Ian Flynn, thank you for saving the Sonic story in the video game once again. I think as a gamer, this, or like just like as like an unbiased third-party opinion, this was a decent game. You know, it's fun, short, good for its thing. It doesn't overstay its welcome. But as one of the biggest Sonic fans ever, and with how much influence this this whole series or thing has taken part in my life, I think this is such a swan song, such a beautiful like story that they've got going on, and I really enjoyed every moment I had of it, even if it was super short. And you know, worst case scenario, hey, I'll just go play Sonic Generations, right? Am I like right? But I don't know, because like if I go back to there, it might not be as good as this. And that's saying, I love Sonic, but like this was good. This was really good. And they had Mephiles in here. Come on now. Yo, welcome back. Actually, this is gonna be like at the very end of the video. I'm recording this just because of how bad I was playing on that final fight. So I'm gonna just I've done every single stage here. I've done every single stage, gotten them all S rank. I've also done it on the hard modes too. I've actually 100% Shadows part. I don't know if I will work on to get Sonic's done, but I just wanted to throw this at the end of the video just because of how do we say, how not good I was playing, okay? But let's just get right on it. So, alright. It's been a little while since the game came out, so we're gonna see how well I can do this. Alright, so okay, that's good. Okay. So, after a certain amount of time, my opinion has fully, you know, developed over this game. I love it. I think it's one of the best Sonic's ever been in quite a while. I think Frontiers was a really good start to coming back, but this is just truly just back. It just feels like we're back. Okay. Alright, look at that, look at that. Got him half HP already, way better than before. I'm currently editing the video back, and it's just taking a long time because I haven't put in the time to edit. I'm really lazy. Let's go. Alright, there we go. There we go. See, I've gotten a lot better at using the squid form, so we're good. So it's been a long time since I actually have looked at that footage back, but one thing I do remember is that I was not really remembering how to attack. I don't know why I forgot how to attack, but it's okay because I know how to do it now. And, you know, as you can see, we're moving. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. And you need one more phase, which is the longest one, but we're professionals, so we don't even have to worry about it. There we go, there we go, there we go. Spam. Okay, there you go. Now we're on a phase 2. I'm telling you. I know how to do this, I swear. But for some reason, way back when I started, or way back when I did that fight, that day I just forgot how to, like, continuously do the attacks. I kept holding the button instead of, like, spamming it, because you're supposed to spam it. And that just made it take way longer than it should have, so... Unfortunately, but we're back now, so it's okay. I actually haven't played this fight since... I I 100% the game, which is like 2 days after I finished recording that last fight. I'm just really lazy when it comes to editing, so forgive me, but... There we go. There we go. Beat it up, beat it up. There we go. Yeah, I mean, there's not much else to say about this other than I'm kind of going crazy. Better than, you know, before. Okay, there we go. Gonna throw the tentacle thingies, those little, whatever that is. The Ebola. There we go. And then one more should be good to go. And that's it. Chaos control!
Your future is already decided.
Mink. There we go. This is so cool. This is cool. It's been a minute since I've seen this, so it is nice to come back and like, kind of refresh on how good it was. I still think, honestly, I like whatchamacallit. Ash. I like Dark Gaia. It's probably one of my favorite Sonic Best fights. I don't really count forces for final bosses. Pretty simple. Oh, bad. But yeah, we're gonna cut. We're gonna cut to the end. See the rank we get. I think it'll be like an A. I don't think it was an S. I think it's too long. But we'll see. Alright, let's see what we get. Is that S rank? Ah. Alright, I mean you saw the high score rank, so like it doesn't even matter. I mean that's the S rank anyways. Alright, and with that, I'm gonna end it here. Future Chance signing out. If I didn't say it before, I'll say it again. Hope you have a good morning, evening, afternoon, it doesn't matter. As long as it's good. And I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. I don't know when that is. I don't know what it'll be. I'll definitely try to get it out quick. Because I gotta stop slacking. Alright. That's it. Bye-bye.